we're waiting for the Turks boat to take us to Richmond. We'll go through Teddington Lock and Ham Park. We'll eventually get to Richmond and we're going to spend a few hours there. So we didn't know this at the time, but we have to get off this boat and get onto another boat. Did that work? We have to get off this boat and get onto another boat.
Off we go. See you next year then, boys.
We're getting on the front. We're getting on the front. Make sure we're on the front.
Spinning out, shine and drop your. Spinning out, shine and drop your. Spinning out, shine and drop your guard. Spinning out, shine and drop your. Spinning out, shine and drop your. Spinning out, shine and drop your guard.
Coming into Teddington Lock. We're about to drop down. Okay, so we've arrived in Richmond upon Thames. We're here at last. So it's been an hour, 1 hour, an hour and 15. Strange hand that just appears from nowhere.
In Richmond to the next return boat at 2:15.
Thank you. Cheers.
Spinning out, shine and drop your. Spinning out, shine and drop your. Spinning out, shine and drop your guard.
Yeah, we're in Whole Foods now, so we're going down the stairs. We're going to see if we can find what we wanted to find downstairs. We're just here for the hell of it, really. It looks like there's a lot of chocolate downstairs, so we're in a good place. And lots of apples. Get one of these containers. Fill your container with Otis Heroes from the drawers below. I'm now armed. There's some wheat flakes, brown flakes, jumbo oats. Pumpkin seeds. Love sunflower seeds. Alright, so it weighs okay. I've just bought a nice slice of pizza from Whole Foods, and while I was in there, Tom Hardy came in. Tom Hardy, the film star. So he might sneak up behind me. So he went downstairs. He looks like he's in disguise, but he's not really. So as usual, we've come to Hummingbird Bakery.
Can I drop it?
Thank you. Piece of peanut butter and chocolate, a raspberry cheesecake brownie. Click on the planes, Johnny. I'll do a time lapse while we're here. just as the rain arrives, the boat arrives. Good timing. Back on the Yarmouth Bell. We're going home.
And it's wet.
And it's wet. Johnny's found some good Pokemon. Okay, we're on 1%. I wonder if it's already stopped. It's raining outside, so we're going for a bottle of wine and some nibbles. We just got home. We're going to watch Extra Slice now that we've had a couple of glasses of wine, and we'll enjoy it so much more. Trip to Richmond, done.